Everything is ordinary. It's just something I always do. It's ordinary.
Alright, so today we're going to tackle the spare tire well. And what we've done so far is I cut out the main rust areas. So there's this area here, this area here. We still have a little bit of rust here and there, but I think we'll tackle that after we do the big areas. So first step is cut out a template for this one. And here it is laid out on this steel. It's somewhat rectangular, so I'm just gonna cut out the corner and then trim it if I need to. So let's see how that goes.
Nothing amazing happens here. Everything is ordinary.
Okay, so I cut out the template and I started bending it a little bit. So this is sort of what we have right now. Very rough, but essentially fits right there, more or less. And I'll trim it and get it to fit right, and we should be good to go. Yeah, buddy.
It's just something I always do. It's ordinary. Nothing amazing happens here. Everything is ordinary.
Finally, the welding of the trunk floor is done. Oh man. Alright.
Nothing amazing happens here. Everything is ordinary. It's just something I always do. It's ordinary. It's just something I always do. It's ordinary. Nothing amazing happens here. Everything is ordinary.
There it is, all grinded smooth.
It's just something I always do. It's ordinary.